Question 8. Zaki intends to make spherical water balls. So these are the spherical water balls that can hold this much of water. Volume of sphere is given by this equation, where r is the radius of the sphere. Zaki wishes to know how to determine r if v is given. Okay, so A, they asked us to draw an arrow diagram that maps r to v and its inverse function which maps v to r. Okay, so r is mapped to v by the function f, and f inverse will map v to r. So this is the arrow diagram. So here you can say v equals to 4/3 pi r cube. That's it. Okay, and then B. Hence determine the radius of the ball that can hold the volume of water. So we know volume is 4/3 pi r cube. So we want to hold this much of water. So you put 1/2 as the volume lah. 4/3 pi r cube. So here if we make r the subject, we can find the radius. So let's rearrange it. So here pi r cube is 1/2 times 3/4. Okay, when you bring there, it will become times and flip lah. So r cube, pi r cube equals to, this will be 3/8. Then the pi we bring there, it will become 3/8 pi. And then r will become cube root of 3/8 pi. Over 8 pi, 0.49 cm. So this will be the radius of the spherical ball here. Okay, 0.49 cm will give us a volume of 1/2 cm cube. That's it.